I want to thank to Audible for sponsoring today's video.
Yes, thank you to Audible. Listening makes us smarter, more connected people. It also makes us better partners, parents, and leaders. There's no better place to start listening than Audible. Now, Audible is where you can find many inspiring voices and compelling stories, open listeners up to new experiences and ways of thinking. Now, Audible members now get more than ever before. Members choose 3 titles every month, 1 audiobook plus 2 Audible originals that you can't hear anywhere else. Now, Hiro-san, I know you selected an audiobook. Which one did you choose?
I choose Excel Japanese cuisine.
Okay, now that's funny because you're a chef, but you still wanted to hear that.
Yeah, I work for chef for many years, but I'm still study every day. Mm-hmm. And then Audible, good thing is you can choose a language. I choose a Japanese and English.
Okay.
So then I can learn English,
Okay.
So something something I know in Japanese.
Okay.
The name of fish, whatever, right? So how to speak to the people, how to explain to the people, I can learn English.
Now you can start listening today with a 30-day Audible trial, and your first audiobook plus 2 Audible originals are free. Visit audible.com/Hiroyuki. That's audible.com/HIROYUKI, or text Hiroyuki to 500-500.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy the video.
Okay.
Oh, let's see.
Just coming like that. Okay. Yeah. It's live.
Is it live? Is it moving?
Yeah, still spider is still moving.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Right, this is spider moving. That's good.
Nice,
Pound
nice.
salmon.
That's something really special today that you're gonna make.
Yeah. Okay.
Now this again is a little bit bigger than the ones we saw in the San Francisco area. Not as big as we've seen in San Diego. So hopefully when you open up, there's going to be a good amount of meat in there. Okay, Hiro-san, I know you have 2 here. This is going to be for the other recipe.
Right. I'm going to use this one for the first recipe, and this is I'm going to make another one.
Okay. And what are we doing today, Hiro?
This one I go for with a sashimi style.
Okay. Very good. Let's do it, Hiro.
Okay. So a lot of juice coming out, so I'm going to put the metal bowl under the silchin like that.
Okay.
And here's a mouse. So I'm going to use the whole shells. So usually, they do crack with they have a kind of tool for the open up the cracking. Or I'm gonna use a 2 butter knife to just push here and cracking it, cut it half. But today I want to use the whole shell. So I'm gonna from there nicely to open up from the top and I take off these shells.
Okay.
So here you see the mouse here, like this. First I'm going to take off this to that.
Okay.
Right. And then first I'm going to take out a little juice. Oh, one coming out.
One piece.
2 coming out.
Okay. Yeah, pretty good size, Hiro.
That's good.
Not bad, right?
Actually, I want to put into this is a salt water.
Okay. Just salt and water, that's it, right?
Salt water, yeah. And that, of course, cold water, of course. Just put it here, this one.
Okay.
I'm gonna wash it. Okay, now you already see another 2-3 more meats in here. So now I'm gonna cut open a little bit bigger, this hole. See that?
Okay. Now it's been transported all the way from California. I think the boss could have jolted the sea urchin. That's why it just fell right out.
Pretty much clean, right?
Okay. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. And then this shell, I gotta wash it inside, then I'm gonna use for the decoration.
Okay.
So I keep like that.
Let's turn over the shell real quick on the table. Turn it over here.
Oh, this one is very stained, so
This.
yeah, it's very stained in the.
Oh, seriously. Okay,
yeah, that's
so
why I
don't
don't
do
want to put too much.
Okay. And sometimes you can see the spine still moving because it's so fresh, and it is. Take a look at that. That to me is the coolest thing about these fresh uni. Even after you open it up and take out the insides, take a look at that.
Okay. Okay. The wash. I'll take all these parts. It's a nice piece.
That's like a perfect piece.
Okay. To the take onto the paper towel and make it a little bit dry up. Okay, good. Now, not too big piece,
Okay.
you know, right? So I'm gonna keep these things here. Okay. I use the crushing ice. Then I'm gonna set up the seaweed. I'm gonna use the daikon radish garnish. First, I put inside of the seaweed. Now, then next one, I'm gonna use a cup of the over leaf. Like that. Then I'm gonna set up the seaweed. And just for the decoration, I'm gonna use a caviar. Top. Okay, that's it. And a couple nicely put the edible flowers around of the ice, seaweed around the seaweed over the ice. That. And today, if we have a dry ice, it's nice for decoration.
Oh, that'd
too.
be great.
You make it smoky coming from the bottom.
Yeah.
It's super, super nice. Okay, that's it.
Wow. That was actually quite quick to do, Hiro.
Right.
Guys, take a look at this. Beautiful. Another presentation. Hiro, love it. Can't wait to try it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. To the best part of all, of course, today,
Tasting.
very special member in the house, sea urchin. Can't wait to try this. Okay, enjoy, Hiro.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to move this a little bit on the side. I go with like this piece, like that.
Nice. Wow, look at that piece.
With the soy sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet one.
Sweet. Nice.
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Take a look at that, guys. So moments ago how live it was. Move this one a little bit. Take a look at this. Okay, wow, my mouth is watering, literally.
Right?
So good. So fresh. Of course, it has that signature uni taste. Sweet. Not too briny, but it is sweet. Of course, it tastes like the ocean. A lot of you have asked, what does it taste like? The texture is very creamy. But it's so hard. You can definitely taste the ocean in there. It's so good. And I know what the majority of what these uni eat is the kelp. So maybe kind of like seaweedy flavor, but I don't know. It's so hard to describe. Hiro, it's so good. Besides sashimi that we just had, Hiro.
Yeah, we're just gonna eat, but we have the sushi rice here, so
Okay.
I'm gonna make rolled sushi with this one. Like that. A couple pieces of uni here. I'm gonna use my hand anyway. Kind of like that. Not too many meats, but it's okay. Okay.
Oh, thank you, Hiro. Thank you. Oh, the rice is still warm.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
great.
of course. I just made it to
It's so good, you guys. I'm sorry. Sorry to do this to you guys on camera, but someone's got to do it. And not me, who? Oh,
yeah. Very sorry. Okay.
enjoy. Cheers.
So good.
So good, right? All right. Oh, thank you. Take a look at that. Wow.
Not too many meat inside, but it's really good. Little snack.
Little snack. Let me tell you, love the uni with the oba leaf. Another kind of taste than having it alone. Really, really nice and refreshing. So good, Hiro. Thank you again.
Yeah, thank you very much.